All right. Welcome, everyone. This is the 22nd February. Let's start by looking at the daily time frame. Okay, let me just extend this over here. Okay. Now, looking at the daily time frame, again, is something that we talked about yesterday that we are now, if you look at the bodies of the candles, you can see how the bodies of the candles are basically smaller. They're getting smaller. They had a big body, they're getting small. So as the bodies are getting smaller, this means the volume is decreasing, right? So there may be an opportunity for price to come down on gold. Probably today or tomorrow, we'll see. Looking on the weekly, yeah, we'll see. I I do think I'm personally I'm hoping for sells on gold, right? Looking at the 4 hour, we are basically kind of like, this 4 hour candle is forming now, so we'll have to wait and see. It's going to close in 2 hours. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are creating a resistance right here. We got a resistance, and then hopefully we got the support down here where price can actually continue down to. So this is something that I'm looking for price to fill. So again, that's based off of the higher time frame as the bodies are getting smaller on the daily right now. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. So first things first, we have created a resistance around 2027. Now, if we do break above 2027, with volume, we can anticipate price to continue pushing up till at least 2031, right? So that's something that we could look at. And obviously, there are some rejections above 2028 as price goes up. But also remember, these rejections, these consolidation zones, these zones are prone to be broken when there's volume in the market. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are still around 2 hours before pre-London. Looking at the daily, I'm still anticipating this daily candle to continue bearish. But we need to see, right? This 1 hour candle is going to close, and then we have some sort of a supportish area. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I think most of the analysis for price to go down would be based off of the 1 hour because the 30-minute candle is kind of messy. So we'll have to wait and see. Let's take a look at pound yen here now. Looking at pound yen on the daily time frame, we can see there are some levels here. So daily is pushing up, breaking above this resistance. Pretty good, very nice. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we are actually doing the same thing here in the 4 hour time frame. So let's bring out some zones now. Looking to the left hand side, there was a resistance at 189,980. We basically broke above that. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can further adjust this resistance. Maybe, well, that resistance now becomes support. Let me remove these period separators. Okay, awesome. So the 1 hour candle is actually bullish at this point, right? The trend. Looking at the 30-minute time frames, we have created a support. At the same time, looks like there's a resistance formed on the 30-minute time frame here as well. As you can see, there is a resistance. So if we do break above the high of the previous candle, this is like a 8 pip range. It's not enough range. So I'd say maybe wait for price to break below, what's this? Break above 190,200, right? Break above 190,200. And looking to the left-hand side, what we want to see is we want price to, hold on. So this is what we got all the way to the left. Wow, look at that. We are in, oh, we're still in 2023. Anyway, that's way off to the left. So we're not gonna bother with that, okay? We're not gonna bother with that. It's way off to the left. It doesn't matter. I mean, it matters, but it doesn't. So if we do break above 190 to 20, you have to measure the ranges, right? So I mean, it's like 20 pips, 20 pips, 194.20. I think 194.20 is going to be a pretty reasonable target for price to go into. The reason why I'm not going to focus on the history all the way to the left-hand side, because it's too far back, man. It's like in 2016, 2015. Let's take a quick look right here, right? Zoom out. Let's take a quick look. Where are we at over here? We need more history over here. Ooh, looks like we need to fix some. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go, right there. So this is what we got. This is back from 2008. Okay, no wonder. Okay, awesome. So we have reached the highs of the highs on pound yen now. So obviously we'll have to wait and see whether price will break up to continue up, or are we going to break below 189,970 for price to continue pushing down to probably this area here where this minor trend started. I know there's a support form on a 30-minute here, but still, this is where we had major consolidation and then we start to move up. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1 hour time it makes sense too, right? Because look, we created support and we moved up. And also notice how the bigger time frames, they are much more noise free. 30-minute time frame full of noise over here. 15-minute time frame, just no, not happening. Okay, so let's see what happens. If this is going to be streamed today, we're going to announce it. If they're probably not going to be streamed, I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet. So take care, and we'll see you later.